Mathematics, Mathematics class 4th, state syllabus Telangana. Now see, here so many objects are there and different shapes is there. Now today the teacher is showing the objects of various shapes to the children in class 4th, and these all are at your home. You can find all these objects and these are in different shapes. Okay, it is round and some are round and some are like a box, some are like a cone. Okay, this one and this one is same, and here also, and some are like drums. Okay, these are the items now you are watching. What are the shapes? And you can also see at your home what are the objects in the like this round shape and box shape and cone shape and drum shape, and you list them and categorize these objects based on their shapes. Also extend this list based on objects you see around you. What do you see around you and at your home? And you write all the objects in this table like a ball. What are the shapes like a ball? And brick shape and dice shape, joker hat shape, and a drum shape like drum shape also. Okay, for example, oh yes, what is that? Orange. Yeah, the shape of orange is like a ball. The matchbox is like a brick. Okay, the, the tin is like a dice, and a bottle, joker hat like a joker hat. Okay, that oil tin like a drum. So what you see around you write in this table, and you complete this table. Okay, what are the shapes like a round? For example, pot is there. Pot is also like round. Hmm? Okay, so many items you can find at your home. TV, for example, TV is there, door is there, and bottle is there, and drums is there, water bottle, and that is medicine box. Hmm? And watch is there. So many items at your home. You write those names and which shapes you saw, and think and discuss, do we roll them or slide them? Do we roll them? For example, like a ball shape, do we roll them? Like a brick shape, do we slide them? Do we roll them? And does a ball roll? Do all ball shaped objects roll? And how many ways can we move a suitcase from one place to another? How many ways can we roll a suitcase to one place to another? Can we roll it for moving it from one place to another? Can we move the suitcase to one place to another? Can we roll it? And can objects with a drum like a drum shape be rolled? Can they also slide? Why some objects can only be rolled and why some only slide? why some objects can be rolled and slide them. Okay, there are so many different shapes of objects you already wrote in this table, and you imagine what object can be rolled and what object can slide, only slide and only rolled, and some objects are rolled and slide. What are the objects you can think and imagine, okay, in this table. Next, now see activity. We are now we are going to do one activity, and Nitya and her 5 friends are playing a game. This is Pallavi, and this is Nitya and Geeta, Lata, Madhuri and Sita. 5 friends is there. They are playing a game. They blindfolded Pallavi and asked her to clap as long as she wished while the other ran around a table. She is already blindfolded. She is not seeing the remaining friends. Pallavi blindfolded a cloth. She is not able to see these are friends, and she is clapping. When she is clapping, all the friends are moving around this table. So the moment Pallavi stopped clapping, everybody would stop wherever they are. When Pallavi stopped clapping, and everybody immediately stopped their places. Okay. Those who are not at the corners of the table would be out. Who are not at the corner. For example, she is at corner, and Nitya is also at corner, Madhuri is at corner, and Lata is also at corner. But Sita is not there in the corner. She is in the middle. So who is out now? Lata is out. Who is standing at the corner of the table, and who is out of this game? Why? Why Sita is out of this game? Because she is not in the corner. Okay. Now let us count the edges and corners of the different shaped objects. Now you understand this. 4 members are there on the corner, and one person is at edge. You understand that what is the corner and what is the edge. Who are standing in the corner? She is standing in the corner. This is a corner. And who is out? That person where she stood, that is a edge. Okay. How many edges do brick shaped objects have? How many corners is there? This is the corner. Okay, how many corners are there? 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5, and back side 1, 4, 6, and here is 7 and 8. Total corners are there 8 corners. How many edges are there? 1 edge and 2 edge, 3, 4. The upside, and downside also 1, and inside 1, and this side 1, this side 1, 4, and this height 1 and 2, and back side 1, and here is 1, 4, and downside 4, upside 4, and sides 4. Totally 12 edges. A brick has 12 edges, and how many corners are there? Upside 4 and downside 4. Now I am going to write here number of edges. How many edges are there? There are 12 edges. How many corners are there? 8 corners. Yes. Now see, this is also this is a box. It contained 1, 2, 3, 4 upside 4 corners, and same 2, 3, 4 corners. Total how many corners are there? Here also 8. How many edges is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, and 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, inside back side is there one corner edge, and here also one edge, and this also one edge is there back side. So how many edges is there? Same 12 edges is there. And how many corners are there? 8 corners. Okay, children, do you understand now what is the edge and what is the corner? This is the corner and this is edge. Okay, now next, how many edges do dice shaped objects have? How many corners do they have? See here also 1, 2, 3, 4 edges, and 1, and back side 2, 3, 4 edges, and again 1, 2, 3, and 4 edges. Total how many edges are there? 12 edges. And corners 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Same. Okay, this is also dice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and back side 10, 11, and 12. This is how many edges are there? 12. And how many corners is there? Same, because both are same like a box. Okay, that is but brick is just long. It is all sides are equal. So it has 12 edges and 8 corners. The dice also have 12 edges and 8 corners. Now see another one. How many edges do Joker hat shaped objects have? How many corners do they have? See, this is the edge. Here also this is the edge. Now this is a downside, this is the edge, this is corner. Okay, one corner is there, one edge is there. Okay, one edge, number of edges is 1, and corner is 1. Number of edges is 1 and corner is 1. Okay, now see, this is how many edges do drum shaped objects have? Do they have corner? This is edge. Okay, and this is also edge, but where is the corner? The two sides are where they coincide, that is called corner, but there is no two sides are coinciding, only edges is there. Two edges is there, no corners. This is also same, two edges is there is no corners. Okay, do ball shaped objects have edges and corners? Ball shape, round shape, where is the edge? No edge. Where is the corner? No corner, so that is 0. Drum shaped, there is no corners but edges is there. Ball shaped, there is no corners and no edges, 0. Think and discuss. Why do you think that ball and drum shaped objects roll? Now you can understand that ball, it has no edge and no corners, but it is rolling. But there is no corners to the drum, it is also rolling. But brick has many corners, so it is not rolling. Now think why the ball is rolling. Now you can understand that it has no corners and no edges. Okay, the boxes of various types. Take a show box and put it on a paper and trace all its faces and shown here. Now you can try to figure This is the face side, and this is also face side, and this is you draw. Take a matchbox or soap box and you draw like this. Okay, how many faces does a soap box have? Okay, and do all the faces look alike? This is one side and this is one side, down side, this side and back side, here also, that side also. These are called faces. Okay, how many faces is there? Front, back, up, down, this side and back side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces is there? 6. Do all the faces look like? All are same? Different? No. Okay. Now see what shape we draw. Now open the show box carefully along its edges. Does it look like the picture given below? This is the show box. When you open that, you will find, you will look like this. Okay, this is same, and this one is same, and this one is same remaining. Okay, two are same. This is called the net of the soap box. This toothpaste, now open this toothpaste, the box will up into which of this net? 1, 2, 3, 4 are all equal, and this is different. Okay, now let's play with a dice. Take a dice and put it on a paper and trace all its faces. How many faces does a dice have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many faces? Do all the faces look like? Yes, all are same. Yes, all are same. Some open boxes. Which of the following net can be used to make the box in the picture? This box is, and this one is, all are same. Which is shaped like a dice? All the shapes are equal. We can see all the shapes are equal. Okay.